Martinez Vlog with a brand new video. And for today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all my car. As I said on my last video that I was gonna do like a little car tour. Not car tour, but I'm showing y'all my new car that I bought. Cause if y'all don't remember, I used to have a Charger. I sold that car and I bought this one. I'm still paying it off. But yeah, so like an hour ago I lowered my car and I just love it how it looks right now, and I'm about to show y'all as well. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And look guys, I'm gonna be changing it up on my channel. I'm gonna be posting about cars and regular vlogs that I used to do. Okay, all right. But yeah, I've already showered, as you guys could tell. I'm gonna throw on the hat and we're all set. All right, so I'm gonna go downstairs and show you. All right, let's go. Thank you. And can I get some sriracha sauce with that, please? Alright guys, so I just dropped off the food at my sister's school. So right now I'm gonna be going to Costco real quick to buy some waters and some toilet paper, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll show y'all my car. I'm gonna be driving it, and just let me know right now if y'all hear the pops. Alright, so let's see right now. I'm on a stop sign right now. Come on, buddy. I'm on the red light. Alright. So that's how it looks from the inside. You guys can't really tell, huh? I'm not sure if y'all gonna hear a pop, but oh, there you go, it popped. I don't know if y'all heard that. Yeah, you sir. Oh shit, cop. Fuck. Slow down, Hondita. This is a bad angle where I have the camera at, but y'all see me though, huh? Cloudy. Yes, sir. Alright, but yeah guys, so I'll see if I'll probably pick up the vlog when I'm at Costco. Alright, let's go. So far, that's how the inside looks. Show the seats. Yes, sir. Look at that. Sheesh. Is that a RT? Sheesh. But yeah guys, that's how it looks from the inside. Yep, I'm almost at Costco, so yeah, let's go. Costco. Yep. I'm done shopping. Bought like 5 packets of water, toilet paper. I got a mess right here, guys. God damn. That water bottle's heavy, bruh. Whew. Alright guys, so right now we're still at Costco. I'm gonna put some gas in my car. I need some gas, and yeah, I'll pick up this vlog when I'm at the house so I can show y'all my car. Alright, drop a like, subscribe. Alright, let's go. Like 10 minutes, guys. The lines are long, except for these two. Yeah. Sheesh. I think I need gas. Not that bad, but you know, I need some. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's thirsty. Oh, look at this, guys. I don't know if y'all seen this on my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if y'all haven't. Oh, hold on, I'm driving. But yeah, so this is me and my grandma that passed away. That was when I was smaller, and you know, before, after, before, after, before, and after. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Love you, grandma. Hopefully you're doing good up there. Taking care of us, alright? I love you. Alright guys, I'm home right now. Goddamn. I can't stop seeing this beauty. Like when I first bought it, it was all stock. Rims, tires. It didn't have anything, no tint, no nothing. But my car is still in process, so I'm gonna be adding stuff little by little, you know. I'm not trying to rush it. But yeah guys, and I bought a 2010 Honda Accord. This is the LXP, but so far I'm loving it. It's been what, like a month? I bought it like a month ago, but yeah, it's time for the review. All right, let's go. Car, Honda Accord. I bought the rims like 2 weeks ago. Tinted the windows. This is limo tint. Rims, lowered it. I guess you can see it. Yeah, one finger barely. The front. Sir. Then I added these right here. I bought them on eBay. It was like 15 bucks. Then I bought these. They're supposedly the rear diffuser, the shark fins. I don't remember how much I bought these for, but yeah. Yeah, this is my car. Rims. I bought the lip. I don't remember how much that was too, but it's dirty as y'all can tell. Look at that, it's dirty. It's dirty. Cochina. Look at that. Sheesh. I'll probably buy these lights and the headlights. Let me know, y'all, if I should buy some new headlights, because yeah, they're pretty messed up. And probably change the grill and probably add like a spoiler. God damn, it's hot, bro. But yeah, I'll probably buy a spoiler. Now let's check it inside. All right, let's go. Seats, yeah, no, I have receipts all over the place. This is how the back looks. Towels from my job. It's all right, guys. I love this car so far. It's not as fast, but we can make it fast, you know, just add a laptop to it and boom. Yes, sir. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, this is my car, guys. I gotta wash it though. Alright guys, so let me know if y'all want to see more like car videos, and I'll be posting more car videos for you guys. I know it's something different, but I'm still gonna be posting like the vlogs that I used to post on this channel. So I'm gonna mix it up around, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so just let me know if y'all want to see more car videos, and I'll do that, alright? But now, let's hear the muffler. Probably you guys have been waiting for that as well. But I'm about to turn on my car, right? And let's see how this muffler sounds in video. All right, let's go.